Hello and welcome to April 28th, Part 1, Solve the Wall with Mrs. Owens. Our first problem today is dealing with Standard 3.08.2, and it means I can interpret quotients of whole numbers. And our problem is select all the ways you can divide 21 cookies into equal groups with none left over. And to do that, if you know you have multiplication division facts, this might be easier. But if you're not really sure, then we can draw pictures to help us. So our first one tells us that we have two groups. So I'm going to come over here and draw two groups. And I'm going to divide my cookies, my 21 cookies, into each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I have one left over, which means 21 divided by 2 would be 10, remainder 1. That's a little new, this remainder, but this is just your leftover, which is that cookie that we had left over. So we know this one is not accurate. We're going to do the same thing with the other groups. This time we are going to have 3 groups, so I'm going to draw 3 groups. And I'm going to share the 21 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And so we have 21 cookies divided between 3 groups, and in each group we have 7. So our answer would be 7. So this one is correct. So I'll fill in the little box right there. Again, let's erase. And we're going to try it with 5 groups. So 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, oops. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Uh-oh, I have one left over, 21. So this would be written 21 divided by 5 groups equals 4 in each group with a remainder of 1, meaning we have 1 left over. So this one is not going to be correct. And we'll do it one more time. This time we have 7 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So we have 21 cookies, shared them with 7 groups, and we would have 3 in each group, which means this one can be divided with no leftovers. So we'll mark it like that. Okay, let's move on to adding, subtracting. And I will be using models to help model this. We have 4 hundreds, 2 tens, and 3 ones. So we have 4 hundreds, 2 tens, and 3 ones. And I need to take away 100, one of those hundreds, 9 of those tens, and 4 of those ones. Okay, I'm going to start over here in the ones place, and I have to take away 4 ones, and I do not have enough. But I have some tens here, so I'm going to take a 10, and I'm going to bring it over here, and I'm going to simply take a 10 and break it down into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This 110 right here is now broken down into 10 ones. So I've regrouped. I now have 4 hundreds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 10, and 10, 11, 12, 13 ones. I can now take away my 4 ones. Take away 1, take away 2, take away 3, take away 4, and that leaves me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It leaves me 9 ones left over. Moving on over to my tens. I need to take away 9 tens, but I only have 1 10. I don't have enough, so I go over to the hundreds place and I see I can take 100. I'm going to move it over here and let's count by tens till we get to 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 100 right here is the same as 10 tens. So I have 3 hundreds left. 1, 2, 3. And I have 10, 11 tens left. Now I can take away 9. So I'll take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that leaves me 2 left. 11 take away 9 is 2. And over here, I have to take away 100. I can cross that one off. So that leaves me 2 left because 3 take away 1 is 2. To do it over here with just numbers and no picture, I came back. It's the same steps. I go 4. I can't take away 4 ones from 3. So I go next door to the tens. That will leave me 1 10 because the other 10 will be broken up into 10 ones. And I already had 3 of them, so it gives me 13 ones. Again, we had that over here. 13 minus 4 is 9. Coming over here, I have 9 tens that I need to take away, but I only have 1. So I come to the hundreds. I take away 100 and regroup it into 10 tens, which leaves me 11 tens. 11 take away 9 is 2. And 300s take away 1 is 2, To check my work, I come over here and I put my 229. I think of it as part, and then this is what the whole amount was when we started. 9 plus 4 is 13. 9, 10, 11, 12. Keep my regroup. 2, 3, 4. And my 423 is the same hole as I started with, so I got it right. I appreciate you stopping by today. If you need help with part 2, check out the other video. Until then, I'll see you later.